Today we're checking out the Baseus MC1 open ear earbuds, and this is the white variant. They come in other colors as well, mainly black, white, and I'm not sure if it's a gray one as well, but you know, you can choose whatever you like. And let's go over what's inside the box and a few of the features that they have. So they said that this has a comfortable design, an IP rating of 57, IP57. They got AI bass enhancement, an algorithm to enhance the bass via AI. That's pretty interesting. Never seen that before. And it's got a 40-hour battery life, so that's really, really cool. Now, they did have a clear wrap around that I removed beforehand because it was messing with the reflections. So let's just see what's inside the box, and we're going to open it as such. And we pull it out. Okay, so we get a quick start. So this is like a quick start, and this is a little bit less quick start. Super quick and quick start. And we see the white variant here, which is not super white, I must say, because I can compare it here, the color of this versus this. This is more like ivory, I believe, or like a, well, in some places they call it bone white or something like that. So we'll get to it. We got a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, and nothing else. And I think I saw something here along with the quick start. Yeah, we do get some stickers. By the way, these stickers, you also get them on the MC1 Pros, which is the Pro version of this one. So let's see, quick start and then some other manual warnings or something. All right, so I'm gonna put this aside for now, and let's see what we have here. Now let's go over some of the features that this has. Now we do get precise physical buttons. So this one have physical button instead of touch capacitive buttons. It says that it's got magnets and a 10.8mm driver, and you get directional acoustics technology. So this should sound pretty good. All right, but that's gonna be for another video. Alrighty, so let's remove this plastic wrap. I like the size of the case, and again, the color is not super white. It's kind of like an ivory, I think, kind of like a very light beige, and it's got a little bit of chrome over here. And when you open them up, they start up. And let's see, okay, they got a cover here so that they don't charge on the way. And there's the contacts, charging contacts. Now let's see, these do appear to have a left channel indicator, or like a label here. Is this visible in the camera? Probably not. But they do have a L label, and we'll remove this as well. And sure enough, this one has the R label right here. It's kind of hard to see even without the camera. Yeah, it's an R. It's a very hard to see R, but it is an R. So I'm guessing this means that this will not go, and there we go. It doesn't go on the left side of the charging case. It will only go inside the right one. So the magnets pull it in, meaning that it is positioned correctly. Now, other earbuds, other brands, other models have the feature, I guess you can call it, that you can switch the places of the earbuds as such. And then when you close it and charge them for about 10 seconds or so, then this one is now going to be the left channel, and this is now going to be the right channel. This is not the case for these ones. Oh, and they have a magnet. That's that's funny. So this earbud will always be the right one, and this will always be the left one. Now the benefit with that is that because these have physical controls, then the control is always going to be at the top. The button is always going to be at the top, not at the bottom. All right, so that's good to know. Now I'm not sure if this supports simultaneous device connections. I didn't see anything about this in the manual or even in the box, so I guess this is going to be left for me to tell you in another video. So again, this was just an unboxing, let you know what's inside the box, and I hope that this video was helpful. Hope to see you in the next one, and until then, may God bless you all.